about investing in Kajabi this year and you're like, ooh, the bank account. With Kajabi's new $55 a month Kickstarter plan, their pricing is more competitive than ever, making it a great option for total beginners to 7-figure course creators with their more advanced plans. So today, I'm going to dish the inside scoop on Kajabi's plans and pricing so that you can make the perfect decision for your business and start building out your dream course. Are you ready? Let's dive in. When thinking about Kajabi's pricing, it's very important to first understand that it is an all-in-one course platform. So it has all of these different things that generally you would pay for individually, and it puts them together in one package. So if you're comparing courses like Thinkific and Teachable with Kajabi, those are mainly course softwares. You're still going to need to pay for email software, website, if you do podcasts, blogging, those things are going to be separate. In Kajabi, it includes it all. For example, I started off on Teachable and I ended up on their $119 a month plan, and then I was also paying for ConvertKit. That, as well as a WordPress website, combined ended up being about $30 more than Kajabi's Pro plan, which was equivalent to the Teachable plan that I was on. So I could actually have been saving money if I was with Kajabi. And so that's exactly what I did. I ended up switching over to Kajabi, saving money, and also having way more features that I wanted to scale my business, like funnels, upsells, affiliate marketing, all of the things. So just something to keep in mind if you're thinking, is Kajabi worth it? Make sure you're looking at the other integrations that it would replace in your business, and that will help you answer the question. For me, it's been definitely worth it, and I run my entire business now in Kajabi. Now, let's look at the plans that they offer. Let's dive into this chart that I've created because this is how my brain works, so hopefully it makes it more clear for you. The first and new plan, like I mentioned, is Kajabi's Kickstarter plan. Now, this is the only plan that I only have a 14-day trial to. All the other plans I have a 30-day trial too, but the Kickstarter plan is special. This is a special offer for new Kajabi customers only. And so if you are totally new into course creating, you don't have any products, this is a great plan for you. You can save money, but also get all the benefits that come with having a Kajabi account. Now, keep in mind, no matter what plan you choose, I give all of my affiliates who use my link to sign up free access to my 0 to 10K course roadmap that's going to teach you how to make your first $10,000 in course sales as my thank you to you for using my link. So I have that all linked down below or in the cards. But let's dive a little bit more into this Kickstarter plan. You'll see it's $55 if you buy it annually and $69 if you buy it monthly. And I highly recommend after that 14-day trial, if you really like it, to just level up and do the annual plan because it's going to save you 20%, which ends up being a lot of money by the end of the year. You'll see here you get one product, one funnel, one website. So again, it's a great option if you are a total beginner and also if you have less than 250 contacts. Next up, we have the basic plan. This is a plan that I started on when I first joined Kajabi. It is either $149 or $119 a month if you buy annually. I have a 30-day trial to that. And let's see here all the things that you get. 3 products, 3 funnels, 1 website, and 1,000 active contacts. I would imagine Kickstarter, Basic, and Growth are going to be the plans that are most commonly picked by course creators. The Basic is awesome because you can have your course, coaching, community, those 3 things all in one place. And if you want to see the power of Kajabi, check out this video where I show actually how to create a course in it. That's going to give you an in-depth look at what it actually looks like on the back end. So the basic plan I think is really best for new to intermediate course creators if you have more like 1 to 3 products and a growing community. Like I said, this is what I started on. Next is the growth plan. Now, this is a plan that I'm currently on. It's $159 or $199 a month if you pay for it annually. It has a 30-day trial, and let's see what you get with this. So we can see here, you get 15 products and 15 funnels. Now, something to note with Kajabi is that digital products don't count as products. You could have as many digital offers as you want. You just need a landing page for that, and this has unlimited landing pages. Also, so does a basic plan as well. So you don't even need a landing page, I guess, necessarily for a digital product. You just need an offer page, and that's unlimited as well with these plans. And if you want to know how to make digital products, I do a video on that. You can check that out here after this video. Now, what's great about this is you can have up to 25,000 contacts. For me, I've got like around 6,000. So I know I've got lots of room to grow, and I actually don't think that I'll ever outgrow this growth plan. For me, I will never have more than 15 products. I'll definitely have a lot of digital products, but thankfully those don't count. But my 15 products of like courses and communities, I will never, at least never say never, but in my mind have more than 15. I think I have like 7 right now. Also really quick, just something to note with the growth plan is that you get advanced automations, which are really awesome. And you get an affiliate program. An affiliate program is awesome to boost your sales because it allows your past customers then to make a percentage of your course sales by promoting the course themselves. So this plan is an awesome option, I think, for advanced course creators with multiple products. If you want multiple funnels, like I said, this is the plan that I'm on right now, and I absolutely love it. Also, this is a plan that the 30-day trial that I'll link you to will automatically go to, but you can change the basic or the pro plan at any time during your trial. Just email support@kajabi.com and they can put you on whatever plan that you want. But if you want to start off on that Kickstarter plan, just make sure you hop on that 14-day trial instead, because generally, once you've already started the 30-day trial, they won't let you downgrade to the Kickstarter. So if that's something you wanted to do, you probably have to re-sign up with a different email, which is always an option. Next up, we have the Pro plan. Now, if you're really fancy schmancy, then the Pro plan is for you. I would guess that most of us are not going to be on this plan, but if you are like dynamite scaling 7-figure course, you have over 10,000 active customers or contacts, you want over 100 products, 100 funnels, then this plan is for you. It's either $319 a month or $400 if you buy it monthly. And if you're on this plan, you're definitely gonna be paying for it annually. You're gonna save so much money. And there you have it, a breakdown of Kajabi's 4 plans and who they fit best for. If you have any questions, feel free to send me an email or put them down in the description below. And don't forget, if you sign up with my link, you get access to the 0 to 10K course roadmap. Thanks for watching and happy course creating. Bye.